Hello, all my nieces and nephews. It's Uncle Chris with Jay. Say something, Jay. Oh, he's gonna be quiet now. That's where we just came from. The food pantry. Yes. We're gonna show you what we got today on Uncle Chris. This very rainy day in Chicago.
Very stormy. Spooky. Uncle Chris, what you got cooking? Smells so good. Everyone's looking.
Welcome back to Uncle Chris's kitchen, all my nieces and nephews. It is a rainy day, as you can see, and I'm so excited because guess what? We got a really good pantry haul right here. All right, just look at this. We're going to start from right to left. Did I just say that wrong? All right, we're going to start from left to right. All right. Look at this. No, not the dishes I'm doing. Look at this. We got some 2% milk. Oh, some mild cheddar cheese from Wisconsin. Now, you know, I'm going to go crazy on the casseroles and the macaroni and cheese. Look at this. Swiss cheese slices. Premium slices of cheese. That's wonderful. I'm not sure what I want to make with that just yet. We're going to see. I might just do some casseroles or some good old sandwiches. Grilled. Panini style. Dozen medium eggs. Let's take a look at the eggs. Oh, very nice. Oh, look. We got some frozen peaches. Now, you know what? Everybody just says, oh, what do you do with those? Well, I got an idea. You take your orange juice and you make smoothies out of them. They are so delicious. You just keep them frozen. Throw them in your blender along with your juice, and it's delicious. Look at this, guys. A can of Star Kiss tuna, the big can, and it's the one in the water, which is better for you. Then I got a big old can of the white chicken meat in water. I'm going to put and make my spicy chicken salad with this. Or I might make my chicken noodle casserole. Pork in a can. Let me tell you something about this pork in a can now. You can do pork sliders. You can do chopped pork, the pulled pork sandwiches. Or you can do, now, are you ready for this? You ready for this? You ain't ready for this. Barbecued pork. Yes. I'm going to show you how to do that. Barbecue style, okay? Baked beans. I want to make these taste a little better. I'm going to see how I can experiment with this. Yeah. Because to me, they kind of taste blah. Oh, the mixed fruit. Now, you know I use these for my smoothies. I will show you the mixed fruit smoothie. It is wonderful. Absolutely, I love this. The no salt veggies. Such a tasty side dish. Got some condensed chicken noodle soup. Now, this is regular chicken noodle soup, and it does have a high salt content. Hold on, let me see if I can show that to you. Yes, 470 milligrams. Well, but that's per serving, okay? And how many servings are in here? Servings size. Well, 1.5 cups. So, okay. It's not terrible. It's not the worst. Oh, no salt green beans. Nina, Shy, will you all stop playing around over there? They're having fun. Got some no salt corn. You know how I love my corn. I can make some Tex-Mex chili, y'all. I think I will. Or will I do what Mama Bird did? She made tamale pie. I'm going to see if I can take it up a step and make it with chili. Now, of course, my favorite is the spaghetti sauce. You know I'm going to make some more pizza, right? Pinto beans, a delicious, delicious thing to have. Pears. Now, you know what? If you freeze these, you can make a pear ice cream, sort of. It's a mock ice cream with some milk in your blender and a little bit of sugar. You gotta have them frozen though. I'll show that to you too. Now, of course, some peanut butter and some jelly, grape. Oh, love this. Chicken in the pouch. Makes a wonderful chicken salad. And as you saw, I did use that in my Alfredo. I got some nuts here, mixed nuts. What is this? It's mixed nuts? Walnuts. Ooh, I think I'm going to have my Miss Brenda come by and show us how she candies these. Yes, that'll be lovely. Got some elbow pasta. So what I'm going to do with this, I could do some chili con carne or just the mac and cheese from scratch. I can also, I'm going to tell you what, I'm going to show you how to make my shrimp macaroni and cheese. It is delicious. Okay, we're going to do that. Got some spaghetti. American Harvest. Not sponsored. These I'll have for Jay. He's in the other room playing his game. Ooh, we got Swedish fish. I love. No, we give it to Jay. We got some M&Ms. Give these to Jay. Yeah. We got some raisins. Ooh. Macaroni and cheese. Yep. Crispy rice, which is the off-brand of Rice Krispie cereal. It's very good. I've tried it. Ooh. We have some chocolate cherry chip. No, just chocolate chip, my mistake. Little muffins. These are cool. Very nice. Oh, my favorite. I have a bag of broccoli. I am so doing that tonight. Oh, yes. Some tomatoes. Delicious and ripe. Couple potatoes. 2 bags of apples. Now look at this, y'all. A true blessing. I have some chicken legs, boneless chicken thighs, small thing of ground beef. We're going to use that for the chili. And we got some more boneless chicken thighs over here. 2 bags of meat patties. This will come in handy for Jay's lunch or my mock Salisbury steak. And look, they even gave me a writing pad. That's nice to have. All right, let me just pan back so you can see what all we got. This was a true blessing. Oh my goodness, this is so nice. Now, I'm going to show you how to make my shrimp macaroni and cheese, but I'm also going to show you how to make all my sauces, and that includes the sauce for the mac and cheese. It's a basic cheese base you could use for just about any cheese sauce that you're doing. All right. This is Uncle Chris. Please write me with any questions you have. Like, comment, and subscribe. Yes. All right. I am so excited about this, and I feel so blessed. Reach out to the food pantries. It will make your dollars go so much further. Okay? And I'll explain that in the next video. All right. Big love from Uncle Chris. Oh, and one more thing before I totally go. I wanted to say a special shout out and hello to Victoria. Thank you so much for watching my video, sweetie. I hope you have a speedy recovery. I'll make as many videos as I can and try to keep you entertained and not bored just sitting there, okay? All right. Big love from Uncle Chris.